G'day, here's a larger piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's basically got brown staining on it in places. Whether that goes through the colour of the opal or not, I don't know. It's not a super duper gem piece, but for example here, it warrants grinding that down. The thing with Boulder Opal, you need to understand it's in layers or cracks. So you need to sort of work out where this crack's gone as to what you might be looking at. Like that goes back probably onto there. So do you grind this off with the possibility of this better colour possibly coming through? But as you can see here, or I can from where I'm looking, there's not a lot of colour fire in it, so it might not be much better. Another vein up here. Quite often these little veins you can still get a gemstone out of. You can see the back that hasn't got much opal in it, so it's basically confined to the front half of the stone. I'll just go around the circumference to give you an idea. But as you can see, it's not a super high grade piece, but it's a good piece to perhaps practice on. Maybe saw it through there, cut that little face off, follow this down. Some of this might come off, and here where there's a bit more fire might come up, but no guarantees. It's only priced as a practice piece. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.